So what motivates me? Well, to get really down to it, if I'm going to be making money, supporting myself, I want to do something that I can 100% stand behind. Like something I can really genuinely subscribe to and put my heart and my soul into it. I mean, making money is one thing, but to really invest into what you love and what your heart says is right, I think that just sets life up for a different kind of living. And pressure and cold to me it's all those steps, those paths that you can or could have taken, but where you're at is a direct reflection of some of the choices you have made and could not or would not, maybe you would want to, but change. But for whatever reasons, every choice, whether directly that you've made or indirectly, has been a path for you. And that's what I feel like why pressure and cold being organic and pressure being something applied to you, like a choice. And this is where you've gotten to become your final element or your starting element, just that part of your path. And that's why I feel so motivated to do something that I love and put my heart and soul into photography or just community outreach and information, because this is what's happening with me, with my community. Like, what's more powerful than that? Sharing with the world who you are and what you believe in and what you want to subscribe to. But that's what motivates me with pressure and cold.
Just like